Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are setting up our 2013 Honda Pilot here, and these are an interesting set because, as you can see, these dive down pretty low below the hood here. They've got a pretty good dive in there. So this is going to be a diving under the hood set. So as far as our two cups over here, standard setup down here around the frit band, and then a comfortable distance to the top. So if you are using the two cup setup on the passenger side like I do here, find something that's comfortable for you. I am right about here. And then going to grab our setting cups on here, and we're going to go to the molding, and then we are going to line this up like normal for starters, setting your screw at the edge of your pillar, top edge of your pillar here, top of this guy here, about a third to halfway up where this mark would intersect. And then we're going to drop this straight down from where our alignment marks are at. And we're going to come down about an inch-ish, 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and anchor it right there. So that is going to totally look 100% out of place because we are way lower here than we are normally. But that is going to allow us to drop down below the edge of our hood here, not hit this lovely hinge spike right here that likes to break glass that you need to watch out for, and allow us to set the other side without having to two-man it. And then our normal setup here, top here, come down, and anchor that cup. Like so. And that is your setup for this particular vehicle. See you guys in a minute for the set. All right, back with our set on this 2013 Honda Pilot. See, we got our glue shot, everything's set up. Hood cover in place, and let's set this guy. Hang it like normal, up and over, and we are going to come up high, and we are going to dip that edge underneath and run the edge of the glass just right along the bottom of the hood there, keeping us up above everything. And then slowly but surely drop it in place. You're going to try to maintain your glass at the same angle as your pillar. That way you don't prematurely touch the other side. Give this a wiggle and get it set. You're going to watch out for this spike right here that Honda was nice enough to put to break glass if you're not paying attention. Over to our other side, and you can see how close we get here with that spike. So want to, that's why we drop this down, and that's also what allows us to dip this side underneath the hood here without it resting against this or resting against our fender right here. So after that, you're just gonna disconnect this like normal, hang that out of the way on the apron, and drop this in place like so. Get your tape, deck it down, reassemble it, and call it good. That's how you tuck these underneath, and you can see how deep these go on these guys here, so there's really no avoiding it. But that is the easiest way to set with the WRD PRO6 install system. Until next time, guys. See you in the next video.